natural treatment for tinnitus. A proven formula to stop the annoying sound in your ear. Tinnitus is not a life-threatening condition, but sometimes it is just irritating that you need to find ways to get rid of it. What is tinnitus? It is a medical term for ringing in the ears. If you experience tinnitus, then you can expect to hear sounds like ringing, hissing, or other noises. And these sounds are not caused by the outside environment. Tinnitus is not a disease, rather it is a symptom. It is caused by certain factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, ear or brain injury, thyroid troubles, anti-inflammatory medications and allergy. Repeated exposure to loud noises or sounds may also cause tinnitus. People with tinnitus have certain difficulties in concentrating and sleeping. You can ask your physician on the possible ways to treat tinnitus. The doctor might suggest some remedies, but there are some therapies you can do on your own to relieve yourself of tinnitus. These are the natural treatments for tinnitus, and most tinnitus sufferers find these methods effective. Lots of sea vegetable, kelp, and garlic can help treat tinnitus. Incorporate such foods in your daily meals. A very effective natural treatment for tinnitus is homeopathy, which is considered as a tender and secure type of treatment. Homeopathy is found to be more effective than other known therapies. Try this. Blend 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon glycerin in a pint of warm water. Get a clean and empty nasal spray bottle and put the mixture. Spray each nostril until it starts to retreat into the back portion of the throat in the throat. Do this 3 times daily. Also eat fresh pineapple to lessen the irritation. Aromatherapy is also effective treating tinnitus as it improves the circulation of blood. Oils of rose, cypress, and rosemary can be used as diffusers of aromatherapy. Tinnitus can also be treated with ginkgo leaf extract, which lessens wooziness. Another way to treat tinnitus is by dropping warm sesame oil, about 10 drops of it, in every ear to lessen the noise in the ears. You have to do this one at a time. Allow the oil to stay in the ear for around 5 to 10 minutes before cleaning the ear. To make things easier, make the patient lie still. This method is guaranteed to lessen tinnitus. Watching what you eat can also help clear tinnitus symptoms. Some foods that can worsen the condition are sugar, dairy products, salt, processed foods, and saturated fats. The above-mentioned treatments are great to reduce tinnitus. However, it is highly recommended that you consult with your physician first to see if your natural treatment can be used in conjunction with the doctor's treatments. If you need more information, visit our website. Here, you'll find the most powerful natural treatment for tinnitus that exists and really works. Just click the link in description.